We start by making our caramel sauce. For that, add 1 cup of sugar. Make sure your flame is on medium. So we need to keep stirring this until our sugar completely melts. When we see our sugar is completely melted, to this I am adding half a cup of butter. Now add 3/4 cup of full cream. Keep stirring until we reach a thick consistency. Now add a pinch of salt to the caramel sauce. In a blender, add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. As well, we will add some ice cubes to this. Now take 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Just pour it into the blender. Pour in a good amount of freshly prepared caramel sauce. Now add 3/4 cup of milk. So we're not using sugar because caramel sauce and vanilla ice cream have their sweetness. Now just blend. Decorate your tall glass with some freshly prepared caramel sauce. For the whipping cream, I am using an instant whipping cream powder. It is an optional step. Just add in 100 grams of powder with 100 milliliters of chilled milk. Either you can use your hand whisker or an electric blender. So the alternative to the whipping cream is adding a scoop of vanilla ice cream. We are using popcorns for decoration. Drizzle the freshly prepared caramel sauce onto the popcorns. Just mix it completely well and decorate.